Hello, beautiful people. It is me, Caroline, coming to you from MC Beaters in my dining room. Anyhow, I know I haven't been doing videos in a while, and Marianne will be coming over tomorrow, so we're going to be doing some crafts. But I haven't because I haven't been feeling very well all week, and the most I could do was go to work and come home and go to sleep. Barely even make dinner. So sorry about that. I wanted to show you a few goodies that I received. First, from Aliexpress, and I opened these up because I knew I wasn't going to do a video, and but I wanted to open them up. These are wine, to put them on wine bottles when you give away wine bottles for Christmas, and they looked small, but they actually reached the top. So this is a lovely way of presenting a wine bottle for Christmas. So I bought 3 of these because I know a lot of wine drinkers. So that's this. I also received these little Santa Clauses, and these are actually, I thought these were cute. I can use as name tags. Oh, I forgot to mention the stockings were 88 cents each. Free shipping, Aliexpress. These are little, they're not really name tags, but for any kind of art supply activity that you want to do. They're cardboard, so they're pretty sturdy. So I got these, and I think these are like $1 for 100, pretty sure. This I got from Wish. I also got this, and I purchased this from Wish, and this is I forgot what you call these things, but when you're trying to keep time. I figured my husband would like this. I know he has one, but he can always use a backup one when he's trying to count, because he's a coach. And, when you do, I don't know, I don't follow sports. But anyhow, this is going to be a stocking stuffer. Okay. This was, I think, $4. Then, today in the mail, I don't know, I have so many orders waiting to arrive, and I haven't received them yet. I made a custom order purse charm and beaded pen for Antoinette, and it's a gift for a friend of hers who's a nurse. So I ordered all these charms, and a lot of them haven't come, but this is the one I've been waiting for, and this is the one I'm going to put on her pen, her beaded pen, as a dangle, and it says, Nurse's Prayer, Lord, guide me, hands, and my heart as I care for my patients today. And I think that's really pretty. So I'm going to put that on her. Antoinette, if you're watching, it's going to go out Monday because obviously tomorrow there's no mail. So I'm going to put this on your, actually, I have it all packed and ready, but obviously I'm going to put that. So that'll go right on top. And my lovely friend Karen purchased some bead caps from Wish. Thank you, Karen. And she gifted them to me so that when I do my purse charms or jewelry making, I have bead caps. So thank you. And I'll share with Marianne tomorrow. So thank you, honey. She also purchased this from Wish, except it doesn't fit her phone, so she gifted me this as well, and I love it. I've been carrying it everywhere. You can put your credit cards in here, and I keep my phone in here, except when I'm home, I take it out. This is perfect. You could put credit cards, driver's license, money, and a thing for change. So I don't know how much this was on Wish, Karen, but this was a good bargain because I love these, and it's a little wristlet. So thank you, honey. Put that over here. I always have to organize as I open. And lastly, Tina, my husband went to the post office, and I can't begin to tell you how many times 10-6, 10-25, and I don't know why it says 11-6 because we're not there yet, but I guess these are the multiple times. I don't know what happened, but this wasn't there the last time, and so it has been fluctuating around, and I don't know why, but I want to say thank you so much, and I'm going to open it now. And Tina, I know you said you received the purse charm, and I'm so happy you did. And she gifted me some stuff, which I think is very nice, but not necessary. Ooh, ooh, look how nice. First of all, she wrapped it up so cutely, so adorably. I think I'm making up my own verbs or adjectives. I don't know. Look how, oh my goodness, these are so pretty. These are little beads that you can put as a bead dangle, and it comes with aqua, purple, fuchsia, like a pearl color, orange, blue, lavender. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely going to be putting these to good use. Thank you, honey. That's very, very sweet of you. And, oh, these are angels. Where did you find these? Oh my goodness. These are angel beads. And again, bead dangles. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Here's pink, green. These are little angels. Oh my goodness, these are so nice. Red, blue, 2 blues actually. These are beautiful. Thank you so very much, and thank you for thinking of me. I truly do appreciate this. Thank you so much. She also found, and this can go on a purse, a beaded pen. Let's see. Look at this, it's a little rainbow. I don't know if you guys can see that. That is really pretty. Thank you so much, and I love owls. They're just so smart, so smart. And a little owl, which can most certainly go on a beaded pen as well, or anything. Look how pretty. Thank you, Tina. That was very thoughtful of you. Thank you so much, and I'm sorry it took so long, but I guess this happens sometimes with holidays and, you know, with Christopher Columbus Day and, you know, all that. But it wasn't there the last time we went, so it was there this time, and I'm going to put these to good use. I also wanted to show you guys this, that Anna Colby has decided to spearhead. It is a lovely crafting, traveling book, and everyone who's involved has to add a page to it. So Anna's going to do the final display, I'm assuming, and she's just so unbelievably talented. And every lady involved in this took a page, was dedicated to them, and they wrote a little bit about themselves and just something that they're known for. So like I said, I want to save this for Anna to do the final viewing, but I've been reading so much, and I've learned so much about so many of you and your journeys and crafting and everything. The last person, oh, there's something on the back too. Oh, this is the directions. Okay, because I have to still do mine, so I'm going to work on mine tomorrow when Marianne is here. But the last person who did hers, her name is, greetings from Minnesota. I'm Laura Brytowski, a native of Milwaukee, Wisconsin, who after 33 years still misses my great place on a great lake. So anyway, she was the last person to, look how nice. I hope I'm not, what's the word, infringing any kind of privacy, but I just wanted to share a little bit, and I just enjoyed reading about her, and you know, to give like a little goodie. So she gifted me this. So I'm going to open it up, and thank you, my dear. That was very nice. A little something for Caroline. Oh, that is very sweet of you. Okay, let me see. Oh, I love the lipstick. Look how cute this is. I love it. Look at this card. It's so girly girl. I love it. Okay, she says, hi Caroline, just thought I'd include a little something I created for you. I had a blast doing my page for the traveling flip book, as I hope you do as well. Watching your videos, such a kick. Continuing crafting, kindly Vintology, Laura. Thank you so much, honey, and I am subscribed to you, and I love your video as well, your videos rather. And she made me, yes, she made me, oh, I'm gonna open it over here, sorry. It looks like a tan. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Because I'm currently using the one that Char, from Sparkle and Char, the one she made me. And now I have two. Look how magnificent this is. I just love, love see, purple's my favorite color, if any of you know that. And she used, I don't know what paper line this is, but it's beautiful. She laminated the cover, beautiful binding. Oh, look at the little clip. First of all, I love the dangles. Look at that. I'm all about dangles and beads. And when you open it up, she's got the pocket. Look at that. And she's got these little, what do you call these? To hold your papers or your pages. And look at this pin. She made a pin dangle. I love these. On a bobby pin. This is so sweet. I love it. I'm going to try making this because I know that Anna from Serenity Creations makes these as well. Oh my goodness. Vintology. Beautiful. She made a shaker. Love it. Purple. I guess you really have been watching my videos because I know I've mentioned it a number of times. And the first divider I have just to jot down notes, grocery lists, and stuff like that. Oh, I love this. Everything is so beautifully put together and color coordinated, and the theme is just very, it's roses, and oh, look at this. This is to do your, this is the paper line. She didn't write this down. Your money and your budgeting and more paper, lined paper. And then another divider. Oh, look at these little stickers from my different pages. I love it. Oh, see, I don't know how to do this. I'm not very good at TNs. I make them real close for my craft fair. So, oops, this just came out. This is beautiful. This is, again, a divider. You can use it. And she has little Post-its. Very nice. Oh, I love how she adjusted the pen to go right here. Look at that. And her bow clip. So super nice. This is just, where do you get your gold clips? I love it. And your gold bobby pins. Let me see if I could just, hold on. It's hard for me to hold it up and show you the beautifulness of this, but this is just, oh, she used a band. Okay, now I see what you did. She used a band to hold the pen. I like that idea. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, so I'm just about done with the one that, well, I'm not done. Of course, I'm going to keep everything on the one that Char made me. But I'm going to definitely be using this one next. I'm jotting everything down. And I love these. They are so compact and so pretty. And if you're going to write 1,000,001 lists like I do, because I forget everything, including how old I am, sometimes I have to subtract 1971 from the current year. This is the place to do it, and you might as well do it in style. I love it. It's going in the bag. Thank you so much, honey. I really do appreciate this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love the card, and beautiful, Laura. Great job. Thank you, and I will be working on mine. Now, the last thing I'm going to show is my diamond dot painting, and my husband said this, Caroline, I know you're sick because you're not crafting. Usually when after I clean up my dishes and dinner's put away and lunches are made for the next day for the kids, I always craft in the dining room, which is right here. And I didn't, so he's like, you gotta be sick. I brought down my pillow and my blanket and just laid on the couch for 5 days, every day after work. So I didn't get a lot done, but I think I'm kind of halfway there. I know you can't really see the luster of it, but this is really turning out nice. And it's a full drill circle. I have to say I like square drill better, but I like it. And I ordered, there's like 10 more coming. It keeps me busy. It keeps me stress-free. And Carolyn from Tea Time and Dolls, thank you for that lovely advice. I really do appreciate it because I definitely needed it, and I've been de-stressing. Lori, hope to hear from you soon. I sent you an email. Hope you're crafting away and having a good time. Tell Mom I said hello. And that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. It was a small haul. Just a few little doodads and stuff that I'm doing. And we'll get back to you tomorrow with Marianne. Thanks, guys.